proud Bisaya Bai, and we're currently here at Palm Beach Resort and Spa, which is located here in Punta, Engano. So today, guys, we're gonna check out the place and their amenities. So let's go, guys. So before we can enter, guys, because since we're still in pandemic, so we'll follow certain safety protocols, which si Kuya ang magbuan. So first things first, guys, need to check the body temperature to check if dili ba taas imuhang temperature. So 35.9, and then after that we also need to sign the contact tracing form, special declaration, checklist, department of so guys, you only need your name, your email, your age, and your nationality, and arrival dates. So I think this is fine now, guys. So okay na ito, guys, manataog perma, charot perma yun. So after, guys, we also need to manis lang contactless na alcohol spray kay para no touch na charot. So after ni, guys, we also need to kung ano nilang foot dip kay para ma-disinfect atong mga katribaluhan. And then we're here at the reception area. Proud Bisaya Bai. Okay, team. Thank you. Sabay po. You'll see this cool swimming pool. So nasa pang kids diri, which is just 2 feet, and here ang mga pangdagko. So we have 5 feet, 4 feet. Hi, guys. Mga dahang. And there's also some cottages here. Dere, and ang ilang cottages kay na yung mga saksakanan, just in case you want to charge your gadgets. So there's a washing area here, and this is the women's restroom and the male's restroom. And nadali dako kayo na mirror. Hi! Oh. Let's go to the second swimming pool. Alright, guys, friends, so namin diri sa ikaduha na swimming pool, no? And nasa lang si Micah o si 3D naligo. Ako, guys, kay dili lang ko maligo kay wala mo ka bring og kuan swimming attire. Ikaw, Vivi, ligo na. No. Ito sila ang mga model sa kuan proud Bisaya Bai. Oh. Wow. Oh, asa daw na ako sa model, be? Asa na ako sa model? Food is ready, guys. Mga unta dito sa ubos. Okay, let's go. Musta?
Okay kayo.
Alright, guys, friends, so manamay kaon, guys, and karon kay mag-continue namin sa mong photoshoot diri. And nagpalupad si Michael sa iyang drone.
Hi.
Tara! Sige, tudlay ka, be.
The queen is a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you can love me
right now we're here in the pool side. So sila kay nangaligo sila. That's Michael and 3D, and Vivi is upstairs sa isa ka pool, and ako kay dili lang ko maligo. So anyways guys, if you want to check out this resort here in Punta, Engano, so just contact their Facebook page. You can book as low as 2,999 pesos per night for a deluxe room. That's inclusive of breakfast, good for two, and there's also Wi-Fi, but you can also use their facilities here. You can also avail their day use for 599 pesos only, guys. That's inclusive of lunch. So you can already enjoy the swimming pool, and there's also free Wi-Fi, and there's a good view, a very beautiful view. Ito i-check ilang mga rooms there is sa Palm Beach. So here with me is ate, what's your name? Jonah. So siya ang magkuyog na to. Tara, let's go guys.
So, okay. Siya nga deluxe with extra bed siya, good for 3.
Oh. It's nice guys, kay like come here. There's a mini refrigerator, and there's a countertop here. There's a mini sofa, there's a TV, there's a telephone, and diri ka pwede ka mag-make up diri. And there's 1, 2, 3 beds, and it's an air-conditioned room, and ang diri sa gawas kay pwede ka magkuha og fresh na hangin. This is your view. Mga halaman. Wow. And let's go to the restroom. Check the restroom, guys. So there's a hot and cold shower. There's kani, and it's very clean. Okay, let's go. So, pila niya siya na room ang deluxe niya?
It's 3,299 per night with breakfast, good for 2. If extra bed is 1,500 with breakfast.
Okay. So, mo to siya guys, ang ilang rate for the deluxe room. And now, kay transfer ta sa
Suite room.
Okay, let's go. So, karon kay check out their suite room, guys. Let's go! Ay, sorry! So, ano siya guys? Wow, it's a large room. And look at this. Ano siya ang common area na ay kanang pa table diri. And they have duha ka bedroom. Kani ang first, and there's also one here. Charan! And dapat siya duha ka restroom po. Ang sa master's bedroom kay mo ni siya ang iyahang restroom, and napod sa siyang gawas. This one. Ayan. Ang ilang tayong rate for their suite room, guys, is 5,999 pesos. That's good for 4, inclusive of breakfast. So, more na siya, guys. So, karon kay nata sa ilahang standard room. So, more na siya, guys. Just good for 2. More na siya. And also, they have TV here. And kanang for coffee, and mini ref na wala nag-under, and there's a cabinet also here, and there ilahang restroom. Diba? Ana ra siya guys. And rate din ani guys kay 2,899, and that's inclusive of breakfast, good for 2. Pabalik namin sa ground floor. Thank you, Miss Jonna, for pag-tour sa among adiri sa Palm Beach. Pila ka rooms na nande?
56 niya. Mo ang kuha kay 50% lang siya.
Ang capacity na inyong i-allow.
50%
Okay. Thank you. So I will end this vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Proud Bisaya Bai channel. So follow our Facebook page. That's Proud Bisaya Bai. That's also on the description box. And that's all. Bye! Ano man ni? Unsa ning kaguluhan